Would you look at that? I have had this parcel since the 5th of July 2023 and I've not opened it. Seriously, what is wrong with me? I'll tell you what's wrong with me. This is my new diary and I don't want to open it because I don't want to use it. It is for next year, but I thought perhaps we should open it now together. So I'm going to open it, but obviously I don't want to show you my address. I don't know why. I don't know what's going to happen if I show you my address. I very much doubt I'm going to get a stalker or anything like that. You never know. One day. Okay, it's all out of the baggie. This is the box. Anyone who knows me knows I love a diary. Love a diary. And I usually end up with about 20. Right, so we've got some pink tissue paper. Oh my gosh, look. Oh, thank you. Here it is. Oh! So it says, design your best life. And it's from Girl Gotta Change. As you can see there. Let's have a look inside. So you have habit trackers, a whole spread, and these aren't dated. So goals, mood trackers, and then the actual spreads are like this, which are pretty cool. So then you can just do your to-do list there, and then times of what's happening. Oh my gosh, I'm very excited. It's very, very cute. It's very cute. Let's have a look. So at the back it's got those dot journal things. I think that's all that you get inside it. Yeah, mood tracker, goal, then you get a whole month spread, and then you get your dailies in a week thing. Love it. Love it, love it, love it. And each month is a different colour. So that's purple, mustard, pink, blue. I can't wait to start using that, but I will not be starting to use it until next year. Yeah. So Girl Gotta Change, and it is the design your best life. Ideally, I normally do quite like a diary that is already pre-dated, just because I like to put birthdays and stuff, I'm going to belch, in it. But it's fine because I've generally got several diaries on the go, because I'm an absolute freak when it comes to diaries. Yeah, thought I'd share that with you today. Who doesn't like a good journal, a good diary? I'm now going to put it back into its box, into its bed, until next year comes along. Good night. That was good night to the journal, not to you. If you have any good journals and things like that are like those, let me know, because I can always do with more than one.